So many things I didn't know about plumbing. I thought it was just basic restroom and sinks and stuff like that, but it's more into gas. It's got more waste management and courses that we take all in classes. And then we do all these little projects that show us how to like solder these pieces together, braze it. I really like this class and ready to come back in next semester.
I am the Kirtland plumbing instructor. It's been a challenge, it's been fun, it's been great. Plus I had them do a little bit of flaring tools, flaring pipes, 1/2-inch copper pipe, having them flare at different sizes, different depths to see what it's going to look like, how it's going to react to the fittings. Plumbing, when they get their license, it'll open up more doors than just plumbing. They can be LP gas guy, they can be natural gas guy, they can be backflow preventer guy, they can be water distribution guy, they can be wastewater management, boiler operators. There's numerous stuff out there that you can do. It's just not plumbing.